What's up, everybody? This is day whatever. We got old Betsy fixed finally. Had to put a new starter on there. Got Brendan's tire fixed. I think he's ready for the track now for sure. He said that it's getting boring riding out here on this, huh? Is it? I got you. Well, yeah, he's actually getting fast, trying to stay in the throttle. That's what we're doing, man. So we'll be heading to the track soon. Y'all just hang in there with us and like, share the crap out of it, and subscribe. We need subscribers, man. And let us know what y'all think, man, in his progress, and any tips, anything is welcome. Y'all comment, hit the like button like crazy. We'll be back with y'all some other time later in the week. Holla. I'm Marcina. Brendan wrecked. I'm a mess.